Hi, I'm Rose with Visit Mineral Wells, and we're here at Coffee and Cocktails at 76067 with Robert and Zinn. So Coffee and Cocktails has everything that you're looking for your nightlife, between karaoke and open mic night, live music, and cooking classes. There's always something going on here at Coffee and Cocktails, and you definitely want to check them out when you visit Mineral Wells. You're in for a special treat today because they're actually going to be teaching us a couple of their signature cocktails. So I'm going to let Zinn tell us what we're having, and then I understand Robert's going to do the making.
That's correct. Hello everyone. We'll be making two signature cocktails today. One of them is the Clark Garden Elixir, and the other is the Espresso Martini. So I'll get Robert to start us off right here. We're going to start off with the Clark Garden Elixir. It's a gin drink. So we use Gordon's gin here, but you can pick your favorite gin and go from there. It calls for 1.5 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of strawberry puree, an ounce of simple syrup, which is basically sugar water, and 3/4 an ounce of twist, which is just lemon and lime juice. And then you add a few sprigs of mint leaves and muddle those together. From there you take your shaker, you fill it with ice, and we'll get Robert to shake it up here. Get a strainer and pour it in the glass. And we finish our Clark Garden Elixir off with Crazy Fizz from Crazy Water just down the road. All right, our next drink we'll be making today is our signature cocktail, the Espresso Martini. Robert's going to start off here. First thing he's going to do is dress the glass with mocha syrup. And then from there, he is going to put in our signature espresso shot here, but you can use any kind of espresso roast or coffee for that matter. There's an ounce of that. This recipe calls for 1 ounce of Bailey's and 1.5 ounce of Grey Goose vodka. From there, you'll just add ice and shake. And you'll strain into your coupe glass. And garnish with a few coffee beans. And that's simple as that.